Breaking up nicely, navigating endings in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, breaking up nicely. This phrase can be quite puzzling for English learners, as it combines words with typically negative connotations into a phrase that suggests a positive or gentle outcome. Let's explore what this means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Breaking up usually refers to the end of a relationship or partnership. It can be used in various contexts, not just romantic relationships but also business partnerships, friendships, and so on. The term implies a separation or division, often with the connotation of it being somewhat abrupt or painful. Adding nicely to breaking up introduces a layer of kindness, gentleness, or mutual respect to the separation. It suggests that the parties involved are making an effort to minimize hurt feelings and ensure the breakup is as positive as possible. This can involve open communication, honesty, and a clear intention to maintain a respectful distance without creating unnecessary animosity. This phrase is particularly useful in conversations where you need to discuss the end of a relationship or partnership in a positive light. For example, if a friend shares that they've ended a relationship, you might say, "I hope you were able to break up nicely." It shows empathy and acknowledges the effort to preserve dignity and respect for both parties. It's also a handy phrase in professional settings. When discussing the end of a business partnership or the departure of a colleague, mentioning that the parties broke up nicely can reassure others that the transition was smooth and amicable, which maintains a positive atmosphere within the workplace. While breaking up nicely is generally seen as positive, it's important to approach the topic with sensitivity. Breakups can be emotionally charged, and the ability to end things nicely is not always possible or reflective of the complexity of the relationship. It's crucial to be empathetic and avoid making assumptions about the nature of the breakup. Breaking up nicely is a nuanced phrase that conveys the end of a relationship or partnership in a respectful and kind manner. Understanding and using this expression can help English learners navigate conversations about difficult transitions with greater sensitivity and empathy. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.